paycheck to paycheck. These simple steps will help you budget and save starting now. Start with a simple rule, that is 50-30-20 rule. That means 50% of your money goes to needs, 30% to wants, and 20% to savings or debt repayment. Let's see how this works in real life. Break down your budget. If you earn 25,000 shillings, for example, that would mean 15,000 goes to needs, 7,500 for wants, and 2,500 for savings. It's that simple. Just divide and stick to it. Make a real list of expenses. Now take the needs portion and make it real. Rent maybe 6,000, food 4,000, transport 2,000, data and bills and so forth. Add it up and make sure it fits into your budget. Save first, not last. Most people wait to save what is left, and there is never anything left. Flip that. Save as soon as money comes in. Use a locked M-Shwari goal or join a circle. Even saving 500 a week gives you 2,000 a month. Stop the money leaks. One of the biggest killers of savings is this: impulse spending, random snacks, flash sales, or M-Pesa spending with no plan. Try carrying cash and shop with a list. It works. Quick wins that work. There are small habits that free up cash. For example, buy airtime in bulk, cook more, order less, save your change, sell what you don't use. Simple things build financial freedom. Start small, stay consistent. Your goal this month, just save 1,000 Kenya shillings. That is it. Then do it again next month. Saving is not a one-time act, it's a habit. And it starts with one small win. Was this video helpful? Tap like, subscribe, and share to support the channel. And check out our other tax guides uploaded every week.